If you want to know how to resize your screen canvas or adjust the size of your video source in OBS Studio, you are in the right place. You would normally have a video source like this one, the gaming capture right here, and you are also having this black screen canvas right behind the source. If you want to change the screen size of this black area right behind the source, just click on settings and then on video. On top in the base canvas resolution, you're going to type in the resolution you want to have. For example, for the vertical videos, you're going to type in 1080p right here, and also right below must be the same because otherwise it's going to underscale and it appears blurry. As you can see here, we switched from 16 to 9 to 9 to 16, and also right here you must change the FPS because 30 FPS sometimes looks a little bit choppy. So at least use 60 FPS, and if you're recording like gaming videos or just require more FPS and your monitor and PC can handle this, just change it to fractional right here and switch it to the FPS you need or the monitor is capable for. I'm usually recording gaming videos on 120 FPS. In the end, don't forget to click on apply. You can see that the black screen canvas right behind the source has been changed to vertical, and as you can see, it is very easy to transform and change the size of the source just by selecting it, dragging it around, and also use the edges or the corners to resize it. And if you want to get further, you can press and hold Alt on your keyboard and then grab one of the edges to cut it. You can see that even this is possible. And then if you right click on your source and then go to transform, you have different options to transform and tweak it. For example, you can rotate it and you can flip it horizontally or vertically. If you change too much and you want to go back, just click on reset transformations. Besides of cutting, you can also stretch or compress it, and all you need to do to make it happen is by pressing and holding shift on your keyboard, grab the edges or the corners, drag it around, find the best adjustment you need, and if you are not sure or want to go back, right click, transform and then reset transformation.